I am at Quarry Trails and I'm on the Riverside Trail. And I wanted to be the first one here in the snow, first real major snow. I mean, look how far up it is on my leg. My knee's right here. It's probably a good 11 inches deep right now. And nobody's been here yet. So I'm the first to walk this today. I've been on this trail before, so I pretty much know it. There's a few little tiny ravines you gotta go through, but ain't no different than just walking down that hill right there. I like to be the first on a trail in virgin snow. Nobody's been walking here yet. This is somewhat of a dry, fluffy snow. Even though it is sticking to the trees, I mean, I can feel it hitting me and it feels sort of wet. So the wetter the snow, the easier it sticks to everything and turns everything white. We're supposed to, and all this snow, 24 hours ago, there's no snow on the ground. This is all within the last 24, and I'm going to say really within the last 14 hours. We've gotten, I'm guessing, at least 11 inches. They say we're supposed to get 16 inches by when it lets up finally at the end of the day. I know when I stepped out my door, I stepped off the porch, and my foot just went right down into the snow. I shovel it when I get home. Not looking forward to it. I'm going to try to take this all the way and come up the other end. One of the reasons I come to this trail, I like hiking in the snow, but one of the reasons is not a lot of people at the park know about this trail down here. It's not on the park map. I get my four-wheel drive on. I get up out of that little step up on that ridge there. I'm up this one. This one's a little easier. It's not quite as steep. Until I hit a rut. I hit something. And here's my balance. Well, somebody else walks down through here today. At least I created a pathway for them. I can't see stuff under the snow. I keep hitting it. Some ducks down there or something? I didn't see them. Now what's this right here? Seems something that looked like a ridge in the snow. I'll make sure it wasn't a tree limb just underneath the snow they trip on. In the summer, that side there and this side here can both have water. So we're walking on like an upper little peninsula or whatever you want to call it, between water. Now the water down in there is not really deep. Probably like under a foot. It's just like, I don't know, backwash maybe or something, I don't know. I've been down here many times before. It's not really hard. You're not going to get lost down here. But I've been down here before, so I know this trail. In the summer, you see some people down here now and then. But like I said, a lot of people at this park know about this trail down here. It is part of the property. Alright, we're at the pipe, which is basically the end, or the beginning, whichever way you want to call it. So we're going to go back up and into the main part of the park, Quarry Trails. Bye-bye river. Losing my footing. Walking in deep snow and trying to climb a hill at the same time. soon as we get up here, you'll see the main part of the park. They're doing more construction on the left side up here. Definitely a workout. Climbing up a hill in deep snow. Now they keep moving this path around here because of the construction. So I'm just sort of a guess. I know where I'm going, so it don't matter. Almost a way out. This concrete building's been here for years. I wonder what it was used for, or is used for. Okay. Now, there's a couple of things you can do here. Might be sort of hard with all that brush. But stay on the right side of that fence, and that'll take you back up to the path that'll lead you up to the park office and dog park and stuff. Or you can take this path, and it will take you back over to the loop there by the dog park. We're going to go this way, just because I prefer going that way. And plus that way it looks like it's a pain. Okay. Now, as I said, this will also take you over to that loop. And there's a couple options up here that you can take that I'll show you. If you ever want to walk this trail or climb this little hill here. Birds seem to be out and about. Okay. If you turn left here, that'll take you down by the two big hammocks and the dog park. That's where that'll take you to. Keep going straight, or go this way, it'll take you down to that loop. It starts by the dog park and goes around, comes back around by the park office and stuff. Okay, here we come out to the other trail I was telling you about. Again, that way will take you back to the dog park. And this way, if you're familiar with this trail, it just loops around, comes back around down by the cemetery and the park office. Walls are completely frozen. It'd be cool to get over there and get behind them. It really would. I can see a spot right there. And I bet you can get in over there on the end. But I bet you it'd be cool and getting behind them things and looking out. And just seeing the inside would be cool.